everyone, welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10, Bio, Chapter 1, Introduction to Biology. Let's start.
Kingdom Plantae. Characteristics of Plantae. Plants are eukaryotic and chlorophyll-containing organisms. They obtain their energy from sun through photosynthesis. Cell wall of plant is composed of cellulose. Plants reproduce by vegetative, asexual, and sexual methods. In life cycle of plants, interchanges occur from the embryo and are supported by other tissues. They lack motility. The plantae are subdivided into 5 divisions. Thalaphida, example Spirogyra. Characteristics: plant body is simple, thallus, grow in water, on damp soil, on wet rocks and on tree trunks. Vascular system absent, reproduce by means of asexual or sexual, no embryo formation.
Bryophyta, example, liverworts, Richia. Characteristics: most primitive land plants grow on damp and shaded soil. Thallus dorsiventral with thread-like rhizoids, no vascular system. Bryophyta, example, hornworts, anthoceros. Have parenchymatous tissue, sporophytes upright, foliose type.
Bryophyta, example, mosses, Funaria. Life cycle of bryophytes shows 2 distinct generations, gametophytic and sporophytic generations. Bryophyta, example, mosses, Funaria. Those 2 generations regularly alternate with each other in a single life cycle, is called alternation of generations.
You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.